Hello and welcome to Dance at Home video series. My name is Egils, I'm dance teacher. When this thing started, I mean COVID virus, and we have to stay at home, my thinking about dancing changed, especially about routines in dancing. I'll explain you. So in big ballroom when we dance, we try to move around the floor anti-clockwise. It's called line of dance, more or less around the floor. But in this small space, when we dance reverse figures, it will not work so good. So for example, tango, reverse turn. If I start like normal, quick, slow, now I have to change so much. This is quite difficult to change this direction and turn so much. Better solution is against line of dance. So man will start with left foot, forward to side, back in CBMP, back to side, forward outside partner, again, forward to side, back in CBMP, back to side, and this time we close. And it moves very comfortably around the floor. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, back to side, forward outside partner, forward to side, back in CBMP, back to side, forward outside partner, forward to side, and close. Now we will continue this routine with natural figure. So man steps, man will start with left foot or continue with left foot, open promenade or progressive link, forward to side in promenade, natural promenade turn to side in promenade, forward in promenade. Now we turn around this area to right, to side turn, diagonally forward lunge, rock, with turn and close finish, back to side, close. And now we will add two slow walks but with very strong reverse curve. Slow, and we do from beginning. Quick, slow, 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 quick, slow. And now lady steps. So lady will do, after reverse turn, she will open promenade with progressive link, back in CBMP, to side in promenade, to side in promenade, forward in promenade. Now forward between man's feet and turn to right. And diagonally back, rock with turn and close finish, forward to side, close. And now two steps or two walks backward with very strong curve, back, and from beginning. Quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, lunge, quick, slow, quick, slow, and two walks, slow. Very good. Now we will do this to music. Man steps, these steps. I hope you enjoyed this tango video. Now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Dear Patreons, thank you so much for your love and your support. Because of this support I can produce videos, home lessons free for everybody. Thank you. If you want to join us, you're very welcomed. Let's stay safe and keep dancing.